Once your course has been created, you are ready to begin setting up. A crucial part of setting up your course is setting due dates for all assignable content. Once you have logged in at oup.instructure.com, if this is your first LearningLink course, you will enter directly into your course. If you have more than one course available, you will enter into the dashboard page, which lists all of your courses. The dashboard is available anytime via the dashboard tile in the left sidebar. Once in your course, click the Assignments button in the left sidebar and you will be presented with a list of all assignable content in your course. You can create your own assignments here, rearrange the order of assignments, unpublish assignments, and change the due dates for assignments. To change the due date for an assignment, click the 3 vertical dots to the right of the assignment title. Upon clicking the dots, a drop-down menu will appear. Select Edit, the first option on the menu. When you select Edit, a dialog box will appear, which allows you to edit the name and due date of that assignment. Once you've determined the due date and selected it from the calendar, click Save, and the due date has now been updated for this assignment.